What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 54 and today's topic will be how to merge multiple relationship using merge clause. So in the last video we have seen how to merge one relationship between two nodes using merge clause, but today's topic will be how to merge multiple relationship between multiple nodes. Okay, so this is going to be very important. I'm not going to talk about any theoretical part, rather I'll directly go and start writing the code, then it will be easier to understand. So nothing in the slide for today's topic. So first let me check if anything is here or not. Match and let me delete whatever, detach, delete n. So it will be deleted everything. Now let me create two nodes. Our favorite or very famous node for this topic is always player with Messi and Ronaldo. Then okay, so here what is happening, we are creating two nodes with label player and label country. Well, place if okay, name is Spain and one is name, both right. So if you see this thing now, see match in return in, so there will be two nodes, one with Spain and one with Messi. Sorry, we need to go to check. Okay, see, so this is how it is. Now we'll try to create two relationship and how to do that. So first thing first, let's put a match clause here. Okay, now we'll merge A. Let's say there's a relationship R1 lives in okay B. Okay, and probably we could do something like this as well. Like this. The R2 plays for and we'll put another node that is C, and let's say club. We'll give name Barcelona. Let's see what happens here. Okay, and we'll try to return everything. We'll try to return C dot name a dot name, and will return as well b dot name. Now let's see what is happening. C dot name return Barcelona, a dot name return b dot Messi, and b dot return this. So let's return this thing, so we'll be able to see the actual graph now. See, so this is the graph. Messi lives in Spain, Messi plays for Barcelona. But if you see here, okay, but if you see here, this node was not available. So now this is the interesting thing. So whatever we have like given at the merge clause, that is actually satisfied the condition, okay, and then it comes down to here and it will check for this node. This node is not available, then this is the normal usual merge thing. This is go on and create this node and this relationship, and here this relationship is also created just because both of nodes are available. There is no need to create new node, just the relationship was created. So what you come to a conclusion that if all the match conditions are satisfied, all the match condition needs to be satisfied for creating this thing. Suppose you are creating this thing, then nothing is going to return. Return means this and this will return something, but this is not going to return anything. Okay, see, because nothing happen actually, because no relationship will be created, only this thing. Okay, let's check one thing. Just thinking how to put this thing in Python. So what I'll do, I'll try to create two new things and we'll see the same thing again. So before doing that, what I'll do, let me delete this thing. Okay, now I will try to create. Okay, now we'll try to see the same thing from Python console. So before that, if someone is thinking what else is here now, see, this is how it is. Now we'll try to establish the relationship. Okay, see, c dot name Barcelona, a dot name Messi, b dot name Spain. But again, if you could check here, hola. So that's all. So it is created. Now we have to come up to here. If both match clauses if match found, new node and relationships will be created as per the given CYPHER query. If no match found, nothing will be created. That's it. Same as slide 3. So this is very simple, guys. In the last video we have seen how to create a single relationship between nodes, and that time also if the complete match condition doesn't like match, it is not going to create the node, right, and the relationship. But here we have seen something different. If you are giving two patterns for match for node matching inside your match clause, if the condition satisfied, then it will go down and search for the merge clause. Okay, if it is finding, if it is not able to find the node, then it will go and create the node and as well as the relationship. So for creating and establishing the relationship using merge clause, the main criteria is that whatever you given in the match clause, that has to be satisfied 100%. Then only it will go on and create or merge, whatever you say. It is actually creating. Merge means unique, but actually it is creating. It will go in and create the new nodes and relationship for that node. So that is the main part. So guys, this is kind of complex and confusing, but if you understand the basic, if you understand the fundamental part of merge and how to establish this thing using a match clause, then it will be easier for you. But for that you need to start writing your own code, because if you see, like I have just given you this simple example within 10 or maybe less than 10 minutes. So I highly recommend you guys to start thinking about those things, start thinking analytically, start like design some graph, and after that just play around with this using merge and match clause. Okay, so then only it will help you to develop a solid base and foundation for graph query related things and as well as Neo4j. But one thing, if you understand Neo4j, you'll be able to understand all the graph related application or graph based design patterns. So if you have an interest in Neo4j, then I'll highly recommend you to watch the course from the beginning and start doing some practice. And all of my videos are coming up with slides and GitHub links, so it will be easier for you not to look after or not to look for the codes from any other like sources. You can get the code ready made, so it will be definitely help you. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and keep subscribe to our channel, keep supporting us, and whenever possible, if you feel our video will be relevant for some other audience, please share our videos. So that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice weekend.